Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the brand new Circle Sayings bundle, which comes with this cute little photopolymer stamp set. This is a $1 Million Achievers inspired stamp set, and this is inspired by Jessica Taylor. I love this stamp set, and it's bundled with the 2 3/8 circle punch. I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but I do write on my products. This is the item number for this circle punch, and I put a B here to let me know that it is part of a bundle. Okay, we're also going to be using the new Bright and Beautiful 6x6 Designer Series paper that is part of a suite. But today we're just going to be using the paper. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have here the Exploring in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit for May. It comes with the Copper Clay Ink Spot, which is one of the new in colors. It makes 9 cards, and it has some free stickers as well. And I believe there's an add-on kit. You have until May 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit, okay? Next up, we have our April host code. This is the host code for April 2023. And for Honeybee Stampin' Hive, we're having a special. When you place an order of $60 or more before shipping and tax, I'm going to send you a pack of the Brush Brass Butterflies for free. Make sure you use that host code. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are medium flat rate boxes from the USPS. And I have filled them with over $200 worth of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. And I'm only asking $40 each. That includes shipping. I'm having a moving sale and everything must go. So you guys, please help me out. Order some of these boxes. All you need to do is email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com and let me know that you're interested and how many boxes you want to get. Okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. First up, we have some basic white. This is 3.5 by 4 3/4, and one is for punching, one is for the inside of our card. We have some Designer Series paper here. This is 1 3/4, I do believe. Let's see. Yep, 1 3/4, and we're going to cut that down in the length, but the width is 1 3/4, and then we also have one here that is 3/4 inch, and we're going to cut it down to 3.5 to fit our inside. We have some lemon lime twist here. This is 5 1/4 by 4. Also some more lemon lime twist that is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5.5 for our card base. So let's go ahead and get started. I am going to stamp the inside of our card, and I'm going to get some lemon lime twist ink. It's one of our returning colors for our core colors, and I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday on this for the inside, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and adhere the Designer Series paper for the inside of the card. And I must tell you guys, I am casing a card from the annual catalog. I am changing quite a bit, not quite a bit, but I changed the colors and also part of the measurements of some things. Okay, so we have that there. Now we're going to take our 4 by 5 1/4 piece, and we're going to stamp the Happy Birthday in lemon lime twist, so tone on tone. And I'm just going to stamp this on the side here, just going down. I'm not really measuring. I could have done this on the Stamparatus and did the hinge where you just move it, but I thought it was easy enough to do it by hand like that. So that is all. Yeah, that's all we need this color for. And then we're going to take our Designer Series paper and put that about right there. Maybe. Do I want it more over this way? I think I'm going to put it right there. So let me go ahead and get some glue on the back of this. We don't want to go all the way down because this is a little longer than our cardstock. But I'm going to put it about, ooh, you know, I just had an idea. Okay, I have some lemon lime twist ribbon, and I think I want to add some ribbon onto here. Just like that. Okay, let me get my gunky scissors because I see glue is coming out from the back of this, and I don't want this on my good scissors. So just going to trim that down. Move that to the side. So I have some, the Ribbon Duo Combo Pack. This is part of a different suite, but this is the Lemon Lime Twist ribbon here. And we're going to get some of this to put on our card. Yeah, where's my scissors? That's what we're going to do. I wasn't planning on this. So let me get some tear and tape, because I like to secure my ribbon on the back of my cards with tear and tape. But we're just going to put that right here alongside of this designer series paper. But I didn't line up too well. Oh my. I didn't line that up good at all. That's going to bother me. Hold 1 second. I am going to trim this down just a bit because that is going to bother me. Nope. Need a little bit more. There we go. Just so that it'll be even at the top. So, okay. Now, let's put our ribbon on. Gonna fold this back and add that ribbon. This is gonna be super cute. I'm happy I thought of this because I love the ribbon and I always get so much of it that I don't use it because I never think about it. But I'm happy I did this time because that looks nice. Okay, I like that. So now we're going to stamp some more. Actually, let's go ahead and put the inside of our card in here. So let me cut that off before we move on, since it's already done. We'll go ahead and put that on the inside of our card. Then I'm going to pop our front. I think I want to pop this up on dimensionals. So I'm going to put some dimensionals, one in each corner. Oh, that's a little too close to the edge. Okay. We're going to pop this up on our card front, our card base rather, to make this our card front. I want to try to get it on here evenly. Okay. Next, we're going to do some stamping. So I have some gorgeous grape here, and I'm going to stamp the celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. We're going to stamp this up. Let me make sure I get good coverage on that. I'm going to stamp that. Why does that look like it's not inking up? Let me turn it. Because it doesn't matter which way you turn it because it's a circle. I'm going to stamp that right there. And the gorgeous grape. Isn't that pretty? I hope I was in frame. I just realized that was kind of low. Then we have some Poppy Parade. Whew. And we're going to stamp a cupcake in the Poppy Parade. I'm going to just sit this right here in the center. Just like that. Oh, that is gorgeous. And we're not going to color it in or anything. We're just going to leave it just like that. We're going to get our circle punch. Where did I put our punch? It's over here to the side. We're going to punch this out. Trying to make sure I have enough white on all around. We have that. We're going to get some more dimensionals and pop this up. Whoop. Well, guess I'll use you since you're coming off. And then we're just going to center this over our ribbon, our Ribbon and Designer Series paper. Come on now. I'm trying to center you up here. Do I want it at the bottom? No, I think I'll do it right in the middle. Well, maybe not right in the middle, but it's in the middle. It's in the middle for me. Okay. And lastly, we're going to embellish with, I think they're called the iridescent rhinestone basic jewels. So we're going to get our Take Your Pick tool. We're going to add some of these onto our card here. Just want some bling bling. Bling bling. This is so pretty. I think I'll put one down here. Just like that. And that is our card done. I love it. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. That is super cute. Okay, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.